Here we have an air filter off of Amazon. All right. First thing you have to do is remove the clutter from your glove compartment. Just push in on the sides and remove the glove box cover. The air filter is right there. Now you're going to push in on the little tabs. Pull the cover off. There you go. There's the air filter. Pull it out. Okay. Make sure your air filter is oriented correctly to the arrow. Go ahead and put it in. Let's put the cover back on. Make sure the arrow is oriented correctly. Snap it into place.
Okay.
Push. There you go. Now you need to reaffix the glove box. Okay. Push up. Hold the sides in. There you go. All done. Saved yourself a lot of money.